Alright guys, welcome back to the video. We have another 2-minute special, a 2-minute Saturday. We're gonna go ahead and repair and replenish and restore a wiper blade that is streaking. I've done this to many cars and it's worked perfectly. If your rubber is fraying or yours does look like this and needs a little bit of cleaning, we'll just go ahead and clean the windshield, but I've already cleaned the windshield on this part, so we don't have to take care of that. We're just gonna go ahead and use isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. You can just use regular tap water, it's fine. And then just put it in a small, like little measuring cup, and then we'll put it on a microfiber towel and we'll show you how it is. A lot of the rubber actually gets damaged due to UV rays, and then all the grime from the road just from dry application on the windshield itself. So we'll just go ahead and get this mixed and then we'll go ahead and get started. So to mix this, we have the alcohol. Go ahead and put a little bit in there, just like that, and then fill the rest, well not the rest, but the same amount of alcohol with the same amount of water, so you do not damage the wiper blade itself. So you take microfiber towel, you dip it in the alcohol mix. I'm using a microfiber towel just due to all the shortage of the paper towels and whatnot throughout the stores. So you just go ahead and wipe it across the whole blade. You will get a lot of grime that will show here. This was just one pass, we'll just do another pass. And then just let it air dry for the rest. And then we'll go ahead and do the same thing to the other side of the vehicle, and then make sure you do the ones that are on your rear vehicle if you do have it, or if you have those cars that have the headlight wiper blades, do those as well, because those will get actually more dirty than the windshield itself. So that's all for me, and we'll have a good, safe, and rest of your day. Thanks, bye.